Welcome to your personal wealth platform, an informational portal customized specifically for you to stay connected to your financial picture. Access unique insights, account details, your investment dashboard, document vault, where you can view your reports, statements, and other documents shared, and instant communication with your advisors, right at your fingertips, whether online or on the go. Let's explore the site together. When you log in, you'll see your personalized homepage. Across the top, you have quick access to the other pages of your portal. At a quick glance, you'll find your total portfolio value and a consolidated view of your accounts. You'll also find your top holdings for quick reference and any stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds you'd like to track on the watch list. You can also easily stay connected to your financial team or our firm with quick links and easy access phone numbers to get you in touch with the click of a button. In addition to contacting us, we'll send you communications and updates from your team all directly within the portal. The Portfolio Dashboard is where you can view additional details about your portfolio. The dashboard gives you a dynamic overview of your household with a variety of cards highlighting key information. To get even more details, you can click on the title of each card. You can also use the menu, click on Portfolio, and see the drop-down menu to switch between the different cards quickly. You can use the filters to select specific date ranges, portfolios, or accounts to further customize your expanded view. Securely sharing and managing documents is key to working with us, your financial management team. The Vault space is where you can keep track of all your important financial and legal documents. From here, you can drag and drop to upload new documents. You can organize your documents into folders and easily move files from one folder to another with easy-to-navigate fly-out panels. The Vault is also an area where we can share documents with each other. My Files allows you to upload your own documents that can be shared with us. The Shared With Me page is where you'll find documents and folders that we have sent directly to you. Access your statements or tax forms fed directly into your Vault Statements folder for convenience of all your important documents together. From the report sections, you'll also have quick access to view investment-focused reports created and shared directly with you. Net worth is a central place to manage and view your full financial picture. The balance sheet provides a graphic over time alongside an account-level breakdown of your net worth. You can drill into each of these categories to get more detailed net worth information. The timeline highlights all of your interactions with us, along with key decisions we've made together. This could be from quarterly review recaps to updates on relevant market trends and forecasts. The timeline gives you a quick snapshot of how we're working together to reach your financial goals through a consolidated, curated web feed of posts designed to memorialize interactions between us. Your personalized portal keeps you connected to your financial life, your advisory team, and everything else you need for managing your wealth. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.